Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Michael. Hotshot with me here. We're looking at like what 5:45 on the clock. But ultimately, it's the beginning of the week, man. We are on the road to get my truck back. They said the motor was supposed to be there Monday. I don't know if you remember from my last video, but the motor for my truck is supposed to be there on Monday. So we got to get the money for the labor. You know what I'm saying? The motor was under warranty, so we're going out to get that right now. It's about $3,000 to $4,000 for that. Add another $1,000 for the fuel for the week, and then probably add another $1,000 for all the stuff. I may potentially add to the truck when I get it back after being in Woody, you know, for this longer period of time. It's probably been about 2-3 weeks, you know, since I've been rocking with Woody, and I've noticed some things I definitely want to add to my truck, you know, to help my setup and to help, you know, my particular use of Hotshot. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get to this drop. There's $1,000 on the trailer right now with these custom golf carts, taking them down to Florida, and then I'm picking up a forklift that's headed over to Missouri. It's a partial that's paying another $1,000. I'm gonna try to get maybe like 2 loads along the way, and hopefully by the time I get up there, you know, that forklift can drop at any time. So let's go ahead and get to the business. It's morning time, man. We still with a load of golf carts headed on down to Tampa, Florida. Got the little Mad Black baby on there. Check all my straps. Should be good to go. Nothing look like it's moved. Check this little blue baby out though. Blue was my favorite. The joke is clean. I really want it. YouTube, man. I'm sitting here on my trailer right now, getting ready to take that, pick that up, and put it on my trailer. Exactly how it's gonna work. The freaking forklift doesn't even work right now. When I got the paperwork and everything, they said it was self-loading, so I was under the impression that it worked, but little did I know it was freaking bonking. So check it. You see this? That's not it. Not it. Anyway, we'll see what this day brings, man. Hotshot truck. Hotshot fam, man, we finally loaded. Your boy I woke up, you know what I'm saying? This Brokeback Mountain forklift we got going on, but we chained up. It's only 6,500 pounds, but I went ahead and secured it on 4 different ways and called it a day. But I also let him waste all this time dealing with this forklift. Finally hit the road, look for me another partial to head back that way and go ahead and get to the business, man. It's popping YouTube this morning and I'm in the longest line of my life. Oh my goodness. Hey, it's what? It's 9 o'clock right now. I've been off duty for 30 minutes already. You know, I pulled up around 8:30, you know what I'm saying? I've been here before and the line has maybe been like 3-4 trucks, but this 6, 7, 8 trucks is crazy, man. Like, I don't know when I'm gonna get loaded.
Alright, YouTube, man, I finally just got the call that your boy's finally gonna get like 6 hours, 18 minutes off duty since he said after this guy, Chevy pulls out, I'm gonna go ahead and pull in. So I'm skipping these 2 guys that are in front of me that got here before me just to get loaded.
All right, man. I thought I was down for the count. I'm not even gonna lie. I thought I lost some money coming up out of Florida, but it is what it is. We dropped that load over in Knoxville. In the nick of time, I found one on the way, paying about $400, going about, what is it, however many miles, 100 miles. And so, well, 110 miles. So $400 going 110 miles on the way. And then I'm gonna have another like 200 some miles going up to Missouri. And then I'm gonna find me a load after this one going into my weekend, man. Boom, already got the first partial of lightweight. It said it's gonna be 6,000 pounds, so that's 6,500. Yes, this monstrosity. And then we're gonna have another, so that's probably 3,000. We got another pallet that's I'm gonna put in front of here because I need that weight, man, on my rear tires. Load that I picked up that I was sitting, you know, forever waiting on, that load sat up front. It was like 2,000 pounds, and it gave me just enough weight, you know, to add to my rear tires. That way, you know, I could be a little bit more planted and not carry this anchor in the back of the truck, because that's really what it is, an anchor. So that's why I'm having him space it out a little bit more closer to the rear end of the truck. That's just a little tip, a pro tip. But anyway, let's get to it. Keep another one on right now. Just in the nick of time, man. End up securing the load. Light work. I did it in less than probably 5 minutes. The quickness. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can drop this in about I don't know, what is it, 1 or 2 hours? An hour and a half, something like that. But I'm just happy I got the weight on the rear, like I said. But I already got my paperwork. I'll go ahead and get to it. Man, I'm so happy my day's about to end early. I'm not gonna lie. I got a market light freaking fix. And on top of that, I don't know, I'm probably just gonna do some like general maintenance, you know, check the oil. I've been about 1742.8 miles since I left the crib. So knowing about 17, let's just say 1,800 miles that I've been so far. Done dropped to 775 on Monday. Picked up a 1,100, dropped it. Then picked up a 900. That's still in the back of the trailer right now. Picked up a 400 along the way and dropped it, and then picked up another 400, which is on the back of the trailer right now with the original. So far that's about $3,600. Going 1,800 miles, $2 a mile. All like deadhead, everything all included. Because the trip don't lie. You know what I mean? That's what we got Monday through Friday coming out the gate. But that's what we doing, man. That's what we doing on a shady week out in Hotshot trucking. Made it. Literally about 50 miles out from the drop tomorrow. Yes, we're pulling up to a 1. And I want y'all to check this. Plenty of parking. Plenty of parking. You already know what that means. We're getting a workout in, people. We're getting a workout in. Check it. We're gonna certify them logs. Boom. Signature in. Truck driver's lazy. Now I need to go ahead on a day like this and get your butt outside and work. Get to work. I know I'm getting mine in. Hey, I don't know about that workout life, man. We already ready. We stay ready. That's why you gotta get your extra toolboxes, not just for stuff, but for your workout equipment. Let's stay fit. Let's be healthy. It's about the money. Sometimes it's about your health. You gotta have health success, not just financial success, family success, all of that. Also, while I change my sneakers, yes, it's December. It's the middle of December 14th to be exact. However, it's only gonna be what, 50 degrees right now. That's perfect workout weather. guess what? We're working out in 40-degree weather. We're working out in 30-degree weather. I don't know about 20 degrees and nothing, but anything around that, you're still working out. I just want y'all to know. You all, I done messed up. What started out being a good day, I was like, okay, we finally got a load that paid us what, you know, we were worth coming up out of Florida and going all the way to Missouri. Took us a couple loads to get there, but we made it happen, you know what I'm saying? Now, I went ahead and booked a load. It was like picking up like 20 minutes away, like around the corner, and it was going all the way to Florida. And I found, you know, a couple partials along the way that was already on the board. So I was like, bet. So I went ahead and booked it. And it was going to the bottom floor. I was like, sure, I can find. He told me, you know, it's a partial, but it was a partial. He's like, man, I don't care when you drop it off. So I was like, bet. So went ahead and found me some more loads, and we fumbled the carrier packet, man. What up, fam, man? It's your boy Mike. Hey, man, we throwing it back to the McElroy days, man.
Long time,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Started in 2020 with it, man.
Yes, sir. You pulled up on me. Yo, he stole my load. I don't know about that. That's why I don't have a load right now. He did.
I took it.
He did. And now he about to drive and leave me hanging with no load, no money.
Yes, sir.
But this money mine right here. Y'all.
Y'all be safe on that road, now.
All right.